Art, a word that is associated with literally every profession in today's world. When it comes to art, your thoughts to its meaning may vary from mine as well as your feelings towards it. Some choose to admire art, staring at it vigorously, imagining the talent embedded into it, while others may frown at it being part of their lives. However, throughout history, art has played a critical role in shaping the modern world as it works hand in hand with innovations, evolving our knowledge, society, and state of mind. Over time, we've seen individuals and brands carve a niche for themselves in the art industry by creating astonishing and mind-blowing art pieces. One of these brands that stood out among others is the Asahbara Art Studio. Asahbara. Asa and Bara are two very old Hebrew words. Asa is the creative power of man when you are able to produce things from what God has created. Bara meaning the creative power of God, where he said, "Be, it becomes." Located in the Maitama district of Abuja, Asahbara Art Studio specializes in upcycling everyday waste by converting them into beautiful art pieces that can be used to either beautify our surroundings or for domestic purpose.
Welcome to Asahbara, the home of authentic ideas. What we do here is turn everyday pieces into art, so we make usable art. Our main medium of expression is the Ankara fabric. What you see on our pieces is actual fabric, and then we hand detail every piece. It is thought about and it takes a lot of time to do.
Over the years, the brand has successfully carved a niche for itself in the art industry by making sure every lover of art that steps into its space finds a shelter away from home. With a well-defined process, this art studio incorporates the use of local Nigerian dialects and pidgin slangs inscribed in its design to communicate. If you ask me, I did say this is a very good way to relate with your ideal audience while aligning with your heritage. Going through their works, one amazing thing that captured my attention as I noticed that each and every of their pieces comes with a Nigerian flag. I asked why, and I was told that it's a way of saying there is good, smart, and quality difference in everything that comes from Nigeria. This is a sure way of priding in Nigeria, the giant of Africa. Walking us around the studio is Clinton and Eunice, team members at Asahbara, who showed us more of their art pieces and explained the concept behind every design.
Clinton, welcome to Asahbara Art Studio. Right here we have CBD art, and as you can see, this symbol actually means wealth. It means wealth. It's an ancient form of writing. Back then, the Igbo culture and all that, this means Amara. We have symbols for names, symbols for words. We have love, we have strength. There is unity around here. Yeah, that's unity. Right there, that's a symbol for it. A lot of research had to go into this to make sure that each symbol, has the right meaning described on the side of it. And we also have Maasai magic wands. Yeah, so just like the Maasai warriors, they have their shields. Yeah, the shields from the Maasai warriors. This was done with inspiration from that. And then we have Fila. Of course, you know what the fila is in the Yoruba culture, the cap that you have the Yoruba guys wear. And then all the inscriptions you see on the side have their meanings next to them. This is the guardian. They have virtues. Guardian, fearless, protector, teacher, leader.
So you're buying for someone, you buy one that closely resonates with you.
Exactly.
Hello, my name is Eunice, a team member here at Asahbara. Welcome to Asahbara. So let's talk about a few pieces. So this is the No Wahala. It's an art piece with a plethora of different fabric all around it, held together by stitches. It's like life. A lot of things hold us together. So No Wahala is a slang mostly used in Nigeria. It's from our pidgin languages. So once you see that, you kind of always think of Nigeria. And the next one we have are the Gele Girls. The Gele is a Yoruba word. It's the beauty or the headgear worn by most women from the Yoruba-speaking culture of Nigeria. But most Nigerians wear this, and most Africans to a large extent wear the Gele. So all the Gele Girls have virtues in them. So if you're purchasing for someone or you're buying for yourself, you purchase the virtue that closely resonates with you as a person or relates with the person you're gifting. Underneath we have the Lagwaja ones. This one says tea is common sense. This is from a long line of talking mugs. We call these talking mugs because they talk by way of text. So when you read them, they're already speaking to you. So these are the Lagwaja mugs. We call them the Lagwaja because the Lagwaja musician has a fabric draped over his face to cover it. So yeah, you have this fabric all over the way. All the way from the top to the bottom. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Have some more to choose from. This one says, my blood group is Wahala negative, end of story. I really love this. Yeah. Over here we have the sahani. These are serving dishes and they're sold in pairs. Something like stew and rice, that kind of situation, swallow and soup. The sahani is a Swahili word and it means to serve. So I think your guests will really love these. Here we have the tea for two set. We believe that a lot of tea lovers and coffee lovers, that's a very good way to bond and relax over tea. This is a tea for two patch set. It has a teapot and two teacups, like so. We have various designs of it. There you go. Over here we have the silver bowl. It's a service bowl. You could use it for your salads, you could use it to bake, whatever you want to do, you can do with a silver bowl. This is also a sahani set, but this is called the sahani super. It's the bigger version of the first sahani you saw. Here, that's what they're like. So, a mixture of fabric and hand details. And yes, proudly made in Nigeria. It's on every Asahbara piece. There you go.
We also saw the Water Wonders, a section of their upcycle collection that relates to the northern people of Nigeria.
Water is a Hausa word. It means light. So instead of throwing, it's from our upcycled collection. So instead of throwing these bama jars away, we use them to create art. We create art out of them, hence the Water Wonders. I really like them. They are my favorite things. So. That is called the Shima set. The Shima is a tea word, it means of the heart. It's used to express love. You know, it's Shima Yan, you could say that to someone you love, I know. That's a Shima set. Most people don't believe what we do is fabric, so all Asahbara pieces have a proof of fabric in there, and that shows you the fabric that was used to create the art piece. So that's the proof of fabric used to create this art piece.
Outside the studio are amazing art design that captures the attention of passers-by, luring them into visiting. Another unique thing about Asahbara is its branding. The studio puts so much effort into its branding that makes them unique from every other studio in town. We sure would love to visit this place soon. Asahbara is creating the difference when it comes to arts.
Now that you've seen all our art, I wonder what you liked the most. Do stop by. We're inside the Maitama Amusement Park in Abuja, and it was very lovely to have you. Do take care. Bye-bye.
For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attraction, kindly click the subscribe button. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.